DaVinci is a professional post-production software with the remarkable feature of offering a relatively complete version that's 100% free for life. Once on the page, scroll down a bit, and here you'll find the download links. This software offers two versions, the more comprehensive DaVinci Resolve Studio for highly demanding professionals, and the free version, simply called DaVinci Resolve, which is already very complete. Here, we click Free Download. The site then asks us which version we want, so we select the first, DaVinci Resolve, currently in version 17. This is also where we choose the operating system. As you can see, the software is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Choose your system, and now, the last step before downloading is to briefly fill out some information. Then, we click Register, and the product begins to download. The software is about 2 to 3 gigabytes in size. The file you receive will be in .zip format, which is a compressed archive, so you'll need to extract it and then install it like any other software on your computer. Nothing unusual here. Alright, DaVinci Resolve is now installed. Its logo looks like this. Now, let's see how to set it to French. First, launch the software. Here, you're on the project creation page, and you'll notice that, by default, the software is in English. For example, you can see New Project here. Go ahead and click on it to create a new project, give it a name if you like, and click Create. Now we're in DaVinci's interface.